Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is SimplyKrystelle. Today's video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how to get very summer dewy skin. If you're someone with dry skin, even oily skin, you know, you can do dewy skin. But I go through step by step how I accomplish like very dewy, glowy, luminous skin, from my primer to my bronzer to my blush to everything that I do to really get that nice summer glowy skin. And I really like how glowy it looks, but also it doesn't look like I'm greasy. It looks like a natural from within type of glow, and I really like it. Some of the things I did was my first time doing it, and I actually am like happy that I did it. But I really like this glowy skin. So if you're someone who's interested in glowy dewy summer skin, then just keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with primer. I'm mixing two primers. I'm taking the Flower Beauty Hydrating Primer and the Cover FX Smoothing Primer. I always put a hydrating primer because I know my skin, especially if I want to get that dewy skin, I have to hydrate it. Now this next step is very important. I am taking some Iconic liquid highlighter, and I'm actually going to mix this in with my foundation, and this is going to get my foundation to be more dewy than it already is. And I'm taking the Anastasia Dewy Foundation, so I'm already starting off with a dewy foundation, and to make it even more dewy, more luminous, more glowy, I add that liquid highlighter to really enhance the dewiness. Now for concealer, I'm taking two concealers. I'm starting off with the e.l.f. Brighten Pen, and I'm just applying this under my eyes because it's so thin. And I'm going in with the Flower Beauty concealer as well, and I'm adding that. And the combination of the two is just so pretty, and it just blends very well, and I still feel like I kept that dewiness going. Now I do have to set my concealer, so it does make it a little bit matte at this point, but what I do right away is I do go in with the e.l.f. Dewy Setting Spray, and I spray it to kind of let go of the matte, if that makes sense. So since this is more of a dewy look, I decided not to use any powder bronzer or blush, so I'm going in with the ColourPop Cosmetics concealer, but in a darker shade. I think this is dark 56 and dark 54 that I mixed, and I did more of a cream, kind of bronzy cream contour look. So the same goes with the blush. I'm taking a liquid blush from Milani, and I'm just applying that with a sponge. I think to get that really dewy look, you have to make sure you're using all cream or liquid products. Try to use as minimal powder products. And to highlight, I'm taking that same highlighter that I mixed with my foundation, the Iconic highlighter. And I'm using the sponge just to blend everything in. I didn't really use a brush. I used the sponge a lot to blend everything in. And I'm of course going back with that spray and just misting it and blending it in with my sponge. So I did my eye makeup off of camera, and after doing my eye makeup, I set my face again with that same e.l.f. Dewy Mist just to really make everything dewy. I really hope you guys enjoyed this how to get summer glowy skin on dark skin video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.